As we already know that this is the map of North America. In the previous two videos we have studied about the countries in the North America. Now in this video we are going to study about the country in the Middle America, about these countries. These are the small countries which is located here. So we have a simple trick from which we can remember the countries in a sequence. The trick is Beguel Honico. Beguel Honico. We will take the first two letters of all country. Beguel Honico. B stand for Belize. GU stand for Guatemala. EL stand for El Salvador. HO stand for Honduras. NI stand for Nicaragua. CO stand for Costa Rica. Just note down all these names. You should know, as we can see here that we have taken BE from Belize, GU from Guatemala, EL from El Salvador, and we have derived a name, one name, Beguel Honico. From this Beguel Honico, now we will locate all these countries on the map easily. So now come to the map. Just note down in your copy. Now we will erase it and move to the map. So note down. Now move to the map. First we will draw S. We will draw S. We will draw S in this way. S. So here, as we can see that the first country is located here. So it is Belize. And the next country here, so it is Guatemala. And the next country is here, El Salvador. And the next one is Honduras here. So the name is Beguel Honico. So we have derived the country name from BE and also from GU, also from EL, also from HO. Now move to the NI. This is Nicaragua, and this is Nicaragua, and this is Costa Rica. So we have derived the 6 countries from this simple trick and locate them on the map easily, because UPSC or other exam will ask them in the series. They will arrange them in the west to east. So if you will remember this order, you can easily arrange them on the map. And this is the Panama. We already know about it. The 7th country is here is Panama. You already know. No need to derive any trick for this. Hope you got it. Now move to the map. I will show you in the map so you will understand it easily. Just see here, as I already told you that this is Belize, then this is Guatemala, this is El Salvador, this is Honduras, then Nicaragua, and then Costa Rica. Hope you got it. Now one more point which you have to remember is that one country is sharing border with only one ocean. That is Belize. Belize is sharing the ocean with which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. This side is Atlantic Ocean. So Belize is sharing the border with Atlantic Ocean. This is not sharing the border with Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is recorded here. And El Salvador, as you can see in the map, is sharing border with only Pacific Ocean. It is not sharing their border with the Atlantic Ocean. It is on the Pacific Ocean. And all other 5 countries sharing border with both Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, both, all 5 countries. Only these 7 countries share border with only one ocean. Hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and watch more videos.